I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing my favorite shoe in my entire collection. It's the Louis Vuitton Globetrotter. I got these previously loved and was able to really, I feel like, cheat the system. Let's just say it that way. The gentleman or madam that was selling them put them on eBay with just terrible pictures. They were very shadowy, dark. There was no picture of the actual the code that they put in there. I might have been buying a fake. I might have been, who knows what I was getting into. But with shipping a little less than $200, I rolled the dice. That's not to say I didn't do a little checking into them first and asked the gentleman to send me a picture of the code on the inside. So let's get into the review. First off, I don't wear these very often. The longest I've worn them was to the 2020 Kansas City Auto Show, and that I can't remember if how they felt at the end of the day, because wearing something like this around all day, you don't really care how your feet feel at the end of the day. At least I don't. People talk about liquid courage, and for me, I call it fabric courage. You put on a nice outfit or just feel good about yourself for that day. You did your makeup just right, or you have a nice pair of frames of sunglasses that you really enjoy, and you have the confidence of the world on your shoulders. So these are 10 years old. I think I said the 2010 Globetrotters. They, when I bought them, had one scuff, and I'm sad to admit now they have quite a few more. We won't count them, just like we won't count my smile wrinkles. But this shoe comes with a fabric, not a fabric, I'm sorry people, a Velcro topper to, if you want, you can tie your shoe here, tuck the laces down in there, and pull that over. I've found that looks pretty tacky. Even if I spend a minute trying to get the laces just right and to put that over them, they don't come out clean at all. So what I like to do is, while fending off my dogs, I like to get that strapped down and then tie the laces up here above that. So let's see how that looks close up. Alright, here we go. That is about what it's going to look like while you're wearing it. And to give you an idea, we will attempt to, what I think the idea was, is to kind of tuck these in there. And I don't know if it was supposed to be a vertical tuck like this, or horizontal, excuse me. I must have had a long day. Well, that is pretty clean, actually. So I'm eating my own words, but you see how even this little part hangs out? That's enough to irritate me. In the Marine Corps, that's called an IP, and anything dangly or in the way or something that looks out of place, you just want to cut it off. And so I don't really like the way that looks, even if you get it tucked just right. And while I'm tucking that one, this one falls out. So, user preference, as always, but that was the horizontal tuck, and now I'll show you more of a vertical tuck. That's where you're just going to pull them down, pull your bunny ears, come on bunny ears, and we're going to get it into a nice little pile there, and then once again, put the Velcro on. Now, because these are 10 years old, I never did see how Louis Vuitton presented them. I might be way off base with the tucking idea, because obviously that is a mess. That is not an appealing look. That looks tacky, and it looks just, we'll call it garbled. But when you take them and you put the shoelaces on top as we originally had it, and you get this Velcro down, it is a very, very beautiful shoe. It has Louis Vuitton written on the bottom here. Well, let's see. The bottom here says Louis Vuitton. The bottom here used to have the classic LV, but if you own them, wear them. And you've got your classic, just beautiful Louis Vuitton flower print with the LV right there. The LV can also be found here, sometimes a little bit off to the sides, but they did a really good job cutting the leather so that it aligned with where it was supposed to be on the shoe. And as a really good example of that, that is your toe. This is an incredible shoe that I got at an incredible price. And I wish you all luck in tracking down a 2010 Louis Vuitton Globetrotter. Thank you for joining me in my closet. Hey guys, Travis here. Just wanted to thank you for watching my reviews, and also take a minute to request that you leave a like and possibly a subscription if you're enjoying the content you're seeing so far. We hear it a lot on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, or 10 ghosts will visit you. And the truth is, I'm just a new channel, and every like will bring a smile to my face. Oh, must have just got a like. Alright. Thanks for joining me in my closet, and you all have a good one.